I'm going to discuss how to use LinkedIn ads to capture attention, generate leads, and drive revenue for your business. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Sarah Butler, or SB to some, and I'm a marketing and communications professional with over 20 years experience helping small businesses become big ones with very little money. LinkedIn is one of the fastest growing social media platforms in the world and an excellent place for B2B businesses to advertise. With over 850 million users worldwide, LinkedIn is also one of the biggest sites from which you can find potential customers. So if you're interested in free advice to raise the profile and drive revenue to your business, like and subscribe because that's what I do. Your support will really help my channel. Advertising on LinkedIn is one of the best ways to get your business in front of a highly relevant audience. LinkedIn users are more likely to be interested in your product or service than the people on other social media sites. This is because LinkedIn users visit the site to search for information related to their work and career. Since LinkedIn members are highly engaged and visit regularly, advertising on this platform can help you find potential customers quickly. When you advertise on LinkedIn, you're targeting a network of highly engaged professionals. These people are actively looking for ways to grow their business, so if you can grab their attention and tell them what to offer, you'll have a better chance of converting them into customers than on other social media networks. Here's some quick figures. 40% of B2B marketers surveyed by LinkedIn indicated that it was the most effective channel for driving high-quality leads. LinkedIn advertisers can use demographic data to target the right people based on their job title, company, and location. On top of this, 4 out of 5 LinkedIn members drive business decisions, and you can potentially reach 14.6% of the world's population. Those who advertise on this platform see up to 2 times higher conversion rates on LinkedIn. LinkedIn's range of tools for audience targeting means website visits originating from the platform are more likely to increase conversions on B2B sites. So which type of ads are available? There are a few different ad types you can create for LinkedIn. The first is sponsored content or native advertising, and it's a great way to advertise on LinkedIn as it's easy to create and you can target your audience based on things like demographics, job title, and location. The content is presented where your audiences are spending all of their time in their feed. These ads come in 4 different formats: single image, document, video, and carousel or multi-image ads. Sponsored ads are great for sharing your thought leadership, showcasing your products or services, and promoting an event. Message ads allow you to send direct messages via LinkedIn Message to prospects. There are no character limits, and you can also add a lead generation form. This type of ad is very effective because it isn't cluttered by many other advertisers, and LinkedIn reports that 1 out of 2 people open a LinkedIn Messenger ad. Text ads are also known as pay-per-click or PPC because you only pay for them when somebody has clicked on them, similar to the PPC model on Google search. In other words, you're only paying for the ads that work at attracting your audience. With these ads, you can take the audience to your website or another landing page of your choice when they click. Ads are text-based, of course, and limited to a short 100 characters limit, as well as a URL and call to action. Dynamic ads personalize your advert to the audience member. These ads use LinkedIn profile data like photo, company name, and job title to personalize the ads. Dynamic ads are available in 3 formats: follower, spotlight, and job ads. There are a few basic best practices you should follow when creating ads for LinkedIn to maximize their effectiveness. First, clarify your objective. Selecting your objective is the first step in new objective-based advertising. Choosing your objective helps streamline and customize your campaign creation. An objective is an action you want your customers to take after seeing your ad. Objectives are grouped into 3 categories. Awareness campaigns maximize a brand's share of voice through impressions. Consideration campaigns encourage customers to take action to find out more about your business. The actions are usually clicks to take them to a landing page or other engagements such as encouraging social actions and views. Conversion campaigns are focused on lead generation and the ability to track actions on your website, such as white paper downloads or lead generation capture. Next, you need to choose the right audience. Once you understand how to create LinkedIn ads and have tried a few out, it's important to take note of which ones perform best. This will help you better understand your audience and how to connect with them better in the future. Be specific with your targeting options. Choose quality over quantity. Next, set the right budget. The reach of your ad depends on the budget you set. You might have the ability to choose from a pay-per-click model or a cost per impression model, which relates to conversion or brand awareness objectives. When creating ads, you can choose different dates and time settings. Set your ads to run continuously or choose specific dates and times you'd like them to appear on the site. Create a compelling ad. The headline and image of your ad are the two most important elements. Use these elements to grab attention and make sure you stand out from the rest. Make sure the copy or text is super clear. Your ad should be concise and clear enough for the reader to understand what your product or service is about. Have a clear call to action. Tell people what you want them to do. Next, use LinkedIn Analytics. The best way to understand what is and isn't working is with a LinkedIn ad report. You can track all of the important metrics of an ad campaign, including impressions, cost per click, spend, and conversion. Another important part of analysing ads and campaigns is making sure that you're monitoring the demographics that are responding to your ads. The easiest way to do this is to use the demographic breakdown metrics within your ad report. By doing this, you can easily see how many clicks and impressions your ads are receiving from each demographic, which will allow you to make necessary changes to your campaigns if needed. Now you know what LinkedIn is, how it works, and the advantages of advertising on LinkedIn. The best part about advertising on this platform is that it allows you to target your ideal customer based on demographics, interests, and job title. The high engagement rate of LinkedIn makes it the perfect place to run ads, especially if you're looking to build your brand and grow your business. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with my next one.